Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to get a little personal and also going to get a little bit chatty because today I'm going to be doing a Q&A like the title of this video suggests. So if you guys are new to my channel and want to know me a little bit better, then please continue watching. Okay, so majority of these questions are from Instagram. YouTube में ज़्यादा questions नहीं आए मुझे, so first let's answer YouTube के questions. My very first question is, what is your day job and what did you study in uni? Recent subscriber and love your videos with a heart emoji. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. So coming back to your question, I did a diploma in event management. I was not a studious kid growing up. Like शुरुआत में होता है ना, like KG से लेके 5th 6th standard तक I was very studious. काफ़ी पढ़ाई करती थी मैं और काफ़ी अच्छे मार्क्स भी आते थे, कभी कभार 3rd या 4th, यूजुअली 10th के अंदर ही रैंक आता था मेरा. बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर 7th. एक वो स्विच हो गया. So from studious बच्चा I became a not so studious बच्चा and I knew I wanted to get into the field of creativity. So yeah, I got into event management because मुझे लगा कि उसमें ज़्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं होगी. So yeah, that's what I studied. Your second question was about my day job, and right now I'm not working anywhere. I'm doing YouTube and Instagram full time, but prior to that I was doing a 9 to 5 job. The next question is, which state are you from and what's your religion? By the way, love your videos, rooting for you all the way from Manipur. Oh my god, that's literally so sweet of you. Thank you so much. So I'm currently based in Delhi. Prior to Delhi, I've lived in Mumbai my entire life. 26 years of my life I have lived in Mumbai. I was born and raised in Mumbai actually, and शादी के बाद I moved here to Delhi because my husband is from Delhi. So yeah, right now I'm in Delhi. And what's your religion? So to be honest, I do not follow any religion. I mean, I'm not saying that I'm an atheist. I'm not that. But since you asked this question, शादी के पहले I was a Christian. Even then I was not very religious, and even now I'm not very religious, to be completely honest. शादी के पहले I was a Christian, and शादी के बाद I am a Hindu now because my husband is a Hindu. So yeah, although we do celebrate all the religion, we celebrate Christmas, we celebrate Easter, we celebrate Diwali, we celebrate everything. So yeah, so those two were the YouTube questions. Now moving on to Instagram. Instagram में actually मुझे बहुत सारे questions आए थे. So the very first question is, beginners makeup kit video कब डालोगे? Oh my god, okay. I promise you a beginner's makeup kit video is coming. I'm gonna film it in the coming week and then I'm gonna upload it. I promise you guys. I actually wanted my recommendations to be more on the affordable side and not on the expensive side. And a lot of the products that I like are 500 के थोड़ा ऊपर. So I've been testing out products which comes under 500 का budget. So that is the reason why it's taking me a little bit more time. But trust me, it is coming soon. It is coming this month. I promise. So the next question is, how do you stay positive? Okay, honestly, I do not stay positive all the time. I mean, it is physically and emotionally also impossible to stay positive all the time. I think you are asking this question to me is because you always see me in a good mood when I come on stories and when I'm, filming these videos. I personally believe in energy a lot. I feel like energy translates through screen if you are talking to someone face to face. So usually when I'm feeling down, I don't force myself to film videos or to talk to you guys on stories or post something online, because I do not want to be that person who radiates that kind of low frequency wala energy. So that's the reason why I only film on those days when I'm feeling happy. I only come on stories and talk to you guys on stories or DMs when I'm happy, when I'm feeling good. And yeah, maybe that's the reason why you think that I'm positive all the time, but that's not the case. And one thing that I've learned quite recently, and it's something that I've started implementing and I feel like which helps a lot, is whenever I do get a negative feeling or a negative thought, rather than ignoring it, I acknowledge it and then think about it and come to a conclusion whether I'm just being paranoid or overthinking or that negative thought or emotions actually makes sense. That way it helps you to tackle those negative emotions a lot quicker. Just try to assess why you're feeling a certain way. I feel like that has helped me a lot to not dwell onto that negative emotion and not just hold on to that negative emotion. That is definitely something that helps me a lot and you should try it too. Okay, so the next question is, अपनी tattoos के बारे में बताओ. So I have 2 tattoos in total. Both are on my wrist actually. So this one says Mama's Angel, as you guys can see, and there is like a devil का पूंछ and उसका horn. I got this pretty young. काफी बचपना था मुझ में तभी भी. But I really wanted to get a tattoo and I wanted to get a tattoo which was dedicated to my mom. So that's the reason why I got this, and angel के ऊपर मैंने devil का horn और उसका पूंछ इसलिए बनाया because I felt like even though it's an angel, I'm a little devil. And this one is actually a dream catcher. Now this one has a backstory, okay? So बचपन में ना मुझे काफी बुरे सपने आते थे to a point where I used to wake up feeling not so good and feeling super scared. My parents gifted me a computer, so I used to be on the internet all the time. So that's when I found about the dream catchers. Dream catcher is originated from Ojibwe culture. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I just don't know how to pronounce it properly, which was actually created to protect infant from any kind of illnesses and any kind of bad dreams. So the design that you see over here, the circle and the crisscross designs that you see, is supposed to act like a web, like a spider web. So the web design that you see will catch all the bad dreams, and the feather is actually for a soft landing of good dreams. So the moment I found out about Dreamcatcher, I was so fascinated about the whole story. I wanted to give it a try. तो मैंने अपना पूरा bedroom ना Dreamcatcher से भर दिया था and सजा दिया था. And ever since I started using Dreamcatcher, I kid you not, मेरे बुरे सपने आने बंद हो गए थे. Like zilch, there was no bura sapna. Somehow I started believing in dream catchers. That's the reason why I decided to get a tattoo, and hence I have dream catcher tattoo. So the next question is, show me your doggo. I do not have a dog. I do not own a dog yet. I used to when I was a kid, and I'll insert a picture on the screen over here. Uska naam Bruno tha. It was a Lhasa, so I loved him so much. And ever since he passed, I just didn't have it in me to get another dog, another pet. But I think you're getting confused because very often I post about my friend's dog. Her name is Patush. He is a cute little beagle. So हम जब भी उनके घर पे जाते हैं, I do make sure to post a story about her. And I think that's why you think that it's my doggo, but it's not. It's my friend's doggo. I do not own a dog yet, but maybe hopefully someday I will, because I love dogs. I do want a dog in my life. I want a puppy. I want a cute puppy. I want to give my love to that sweet little doggy. Universe, please. So yeah. Okay, next question is, why is your skin so flawless, bro? Like legit baby like. Thank you so much. Honestly, I do not have great skin, and I'm not trying to be like, oh, नहीं मेरी skin अच्छी नहीं है. I'm not trying to be that person. I honestly don't have good skin. I do have pores, I do have textures on my face. The only reason why you do not get to see it on camera is because I sit in front of this huge ring light plus other lights as well. So इतना दिखाई नहीं देता है. But even now अगर आप देखोगे, I do have pores. Like यहाँ पे काफी सारा pores है, यहाँ पे acne है. So yeah, I mean flawless skin तो नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. What is your current favorite perfume? My current favorite perfume is, actually I'm gonna show it to you. It's, hold on a second. Okay, this is my current favorite perfume. This one is the Abercrombie and Fitch Awake perfume. Ever since I've got this one, I've been using it non-stop. It was actually a gift from my brother-in-law who was sweet enough to gift it to me. I don't think so you'll find this here in India because Abercrombie and Fitch is not available in India. But yeah, I really love this perfume. It's an all-season kind of a perfume. It's very fresh. It has a hint of fruitiness and that sweet fragrance in there. It's so good. I also do get so many compliments and people ask me which perfume I'm wearing. So yeah, current favorite one. Can you tell what haircut you got? So I have got curtain bangs and face framing layers along with gradual layers at the back. That's the haircut that I usually get. Next question is, how do you take care of content block? It is quite normal to have content block. It's not easy to churn out content after content after content after content. And whenever I'm not feeling that creative or I have that content block, I immediately rely on you guys because you guys are literally my saviors. Whenever I do have any doubts, you are always there to clear it out, and you guys always help me. Like whenever I do have that content block and I share it with you guys give me so many ideas and suggestions, and I always take that into consideration and then create the content. I honestly have such an amazing audience who is so helpful and gives me constructive criticism to, you know, work on myself better and to create better content. So yeah, you guys are the one. Like, I solely rely on you guys whenever I do have a content blog. So the next question is eyeshadow blending and merging with colors techniques. So if you want a detailed video on how to blend your eyeshadow really well and seamlessly, I have made a video on it in the past as well. I'm going to leave it over here or maybe over here and also in my description box below, so you can definitely check that video out. If you are a beginner in makeup and you struggle with blending your eyeshadow, that video will be super helpful for you guys. And for merging different colors, then you can follow this chart over here, so you can figure out what colors go well with what. So how to make him emotionally available. Okay, let me be very clear. You do not need a man in your life who is not emotionally available. Period. I don't know if you're saying that in a relationship perspective, like if you're already in a relationship with that person and he's not emotionally available, or if you're trying to be in a relationship with someone and that person is not emotionally available. Regardless the case, you know, relationships are all about emotions. I mean, there are other aspects to it as well, like physical attraction and all of that. But अगर emotion ही नहीं है, तो relationship कहाँ से होगा? You know what I'm saying? तो कोशिश मत करो, अपना टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. And it's coming from a person who's been in similar situation, and now that I'm in a relationship, I am with a person who values emotions so much, who's always there for me both physically and emotionally. It's just a world of a difference. So rather than wasting your time on someone who isn't there, try finding someone who is. And don't you worry, you'll definitely find someone, because like the saying goes, there are way too many fishes in the pond. So yeah. So the next question is, have you started earning from YouTube? The answer is no, I have not started earning from YouTube abhi. I'm just waiting for the day that I start earning from YouTube. Itna time ho gaya, baap re. So to start earning from YouTube, you need to fulfill 3 steps. So the first one is to complete 1,000 subscribers. The second one is to not have any copyright issues. And the third one is to complete 4,000 watch hours. Now 3 out of the 2 I have done it, but एक है which is so difficult to finish is the 4,000 watch hours wala view. So until and unless I finish that, I will not be able to monetize my videos. So yeah, please make sure that you watch my videos from the start to the very end, so that I can start monetizing my videos and I can start earning from this channel, and I can create more better content for you guys, and hopefully giveaways in the future from the money that I earn from my YouTube channel. So yeah, please do help me by watching my videos from the start to the very end. It would mean a lot to me. How long have you and your husband been together? We've been together for 8+ years. This year will complete 9 years, out of which 5 years we were dating, and it's been 3 years that we've been married. So yeah. Okay, so there you go guys. Those were all the questions. I mean, not all the questions. There were still way too many questions, but my battery is running super low. I've already drained one battery and mera ye dusra battery hai which is almost about to run out. If you guys like this video and want to be a part of the future Q&A, then make sure to leave your question in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't already, and come follow me on Instagram because I'm active there the most. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.